Hi, I'm Tsahi Levent-Levi of blog Geek.me, and this time I have a question for you. What's the reach of your platform? What devices can your application reach with your, video service? I want to start by looking at WebRTC and HTML5 or the web browser. And we all know that WebRTC today means running inside the browser. Well, not exactly. WebRTC can run everywhere, and your application might need to run outside the browser as well. So let's see where is it available exactly. So if we talk about WebRTC, if you take Chrome and Firefox, they support WebRTC on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. They don't support it on iOS yet. For the Microsoft browsers, Microsoft Edge supports Windows 10 with WebRTC, and Internet Explorer doesn't support WebRTC at all. For Safari, on Apple devices, you've got support for both macOS and for iOS from Safari 11. And then there's an application. I can build my own standalone application that doesn't use a web browser, but still has WebRTC inside it, and I can run it across all types of devices. So let's see how we're going to fit WebRTC into the devices that we are going to use or want to use in our service. We'll start by the browsers. If we're looking at WebRTC enabled browsers, we've got Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. They all support WebRTC. Do I need to mandate using specific ones? Okay, if I want to use VP8, I can't use Safari anymore. If I want data channel, then I can't use Edge. There are different elements of the service that won't work on all browsers. Which ones are mandatory to your use case? Take that into consideration. Then there's Internet Explorer. Some actually need support for it, and the question is, can you ignore Internet Explorer, or do you need to support it by adding a plugin into your service or building a standalone application that gets downloaded from Internet Explorer? When we talk about mobile, we've got iOS and Android today. And then the first question is it going to be an application or something that runs in the browser? And then what kind of framework are we going to use to build our application? Unity, PhoneGap, React Native, Xamarin, whatever it is, we need our live video platform to support that specific framework that we plan on using. We might want to run a PC application, a standalone PC application, and not run things from the browser. This might be the case if what we're doing is repetitive, if we are going to use that application a lot and it's not a one-off kind of an interaction. For example, an agent in a contact center or a unified communication application that we need to run in the background all the time. And there we can have native code to build our application, or we could use Electron, which is a wrapper for the Chrome browser, Chromium browser in a way, okay, that can run whatever you want on the web, just in a closed application. Are these things that you need in order to run your service? Okay, so you need to select the ones that are relevant for you and make sure that the live video platform that you are going to use supports them. Thank you for being in this session, and see you in the next one.